Are you experiencing issues with your microphone not working on Discord after the latest update? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to fix your microphone issues on Discord for PC. Let's get started. First, open the Discord application on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to your account for the best experience. Once you're in, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This is your user settings. Next, click on Voice and Video in the settings menu. This section is crucial as it contains all the relevant audio settings for your microphone and speakers. Now it's time to scroll down a bit until you find Voice Diagnostics. This feature is extremely helpful as it can identify issues with your audio settings. Finally, look for the option that says, Show a warning when Discord is not detecting audio from your mic. Enable this option. By doing this, you'll receive notifications if there's a problem with your microphone, allowing you to troubleshoot it promptly. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll ensure Discord is set up correctly to detect your microphone. If you still face issues, you may want to check your device settings or ensure that your microphone is properly connected. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips on using Discord effectively. Happy chatting.